everyone, my name is Kendra and I'm one of your Houston County Dairy Princesses. Today I will be showing you how to make one of my family's favorite recipes called Chicken Bacon Ranch Hotdish. For this recipe for how to make Chicken Bacon Ranch Hotdish that's packed full of dairy products. It's important to get your 3 servings of dairy every day to maintaining bone and teeth health, as well as supporting your local dairy farmers. Stay tuned to the Houston County American Dairy Association page all month long for more dairy fun activities. Have a dairy great day!